welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Eva. If you're not new here, thank you so much for returning. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to sublimate on 100% cotton using HTV glitter vinyl. As you guys saw in the first clip, the outcome was so beautiful, so I'm super excited to show you guys how to do it. Again, this is how the shirt came out and I'm so obsessed and in love with it. So for this video, you're gonna need a 100% cotton shirt. You're going to need glitter, HTV vinyl, white, and then you're going to need your sublimation printer, your sublimation ink, of course, a heat press or some type of easy press, and heat tape. Everything that I use is going to be linked in the description down below, so you guys can check that out if you need any of these supplies. And let's just get right into the video. So the first thing that I do is set up my heat press since it takes a while to warm up. I have it at 325 for 10 seconds. That's what we're gonna start with. The next thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna go into Cricut Design Space. You're gonna open up a new project. You're gonna click Shapes on the left-hand side. You're going to choose a square. You're going to unlock it here on the top. And for size, I'm going to put 11 by 11. This is gonna be for our glitter HTV vinyl. We are going to click Make It, and then we're gonna go ahead and get this cut out by the Cricut. This is the beautiful glitter white HTV vinyl that we're gonna be using. Highly recommend this. It's from Expressions Vinyl. I'm gonna go ahead and link it in the description. Then we're gonna go ahead and get this cut on glitter iron-on, which is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut out and put it on the mat. So I cut the vinyl to size, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it cut out. Okay, now that we have our glitter HTV vinyl cut out, now we're gonna go into Silhouette Studio. We're gonna upload our image. This is the Carol G image that I'm gonna be using today. You can unlock it and lock it here on the top, right here. I'm gonna size it the same size as the vinyl that I just cut out. So I'm gonna put it 11 by 11, just how I have it here. Then we're going to lock it, and then we're gonna go ahead and get it printed out on the best quality. My printer is an Epson EcoTank 8550, so I'm able to print this big. If your printer doesn't print 11 by 11, you're gonna have to print out 2 images and tape them together. Luckily, my printer prints big, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this image printed out. This is how the image came out. When you're doing sublimation, it is 100% completely normal for the image to look very dull. Once you press it, that's when the colors will pop. And guys, I'm super proud of this image because I actually created this image myself on canva.com. So I just wanted to share that. I thought it came out super cute. Now we're gonna grab our sublimation image and we're gonna cut perfectly the best that we can around the image to cut off all of the white excess so this can fit perfectly on our glitter HTV. Then we have to prep our shirt very well to get the best results. First, I lint roll it, then I press it for about 15 seconds. I like to fold my HTV in half so I know where the center is. I'm going to press this at 325 for about 10 seconds. We just want to tack it since we are going to press it again for 60 seconds when we sublimate. Now we're going to put our sublimation image on top of the HTV as best as we can, and we're going to tape it down with some heat tape. Once you press your HTV glitter vinyl, you have to change the time and temp on your heat press. So now I'm going to press at 400 for 60 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and let that heat up, and then we will press the sublimation paper onto the glitter vinyl. Okay, my heat press is at 400 for 60 seconds. Let's go ahead and get it pressed. Let's go ahead and pull this off together so we can see how beautiful it came out. Look at those colors, you guys. I'm so obsessed with this method. It's a great alternative if you do not have a polyester shirt or a polyester blend shirt. Look at those colors. Okay guys, so that's how I sublimate on white heat transfer vinyl. What do you guys think about this method? What did y'all think about the results? Drop them down in the comments. I wanted to tell you guys that if you do not have a heat press, you can also use some type of easy press. I just got an easy press from HTV Ront. I'm gonna tag it down below and I'm gonna show it to you guys, but it's super awesome. It works very well. I actually made one shirt with my heat press and I made one shirt with my easy press that I got from HTV Ront. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, be sure to check that video out. I did a separate video using that easy press, making this same exact shirt. So let me show you guys the heat press really quick. So this is the 10x10 easy press by HTV Ront. I highly recommend this easy press. Go check out my video on Instagram and TikTok so you can see me actually using this. So I just wanted to show you guys the easy press. I highly recommend that if you're not in the market for an actual commercial heat press at the moment, or if you're just not wanting a commercial heat press at this time. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But thank you guys so much for watching. It is always truly appreciated. Give this video a like if you learned anything. Comment down below any questions. I will be sure to answer you guys. Subscribe if you want to. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you again. Bye.